Salubrious Place would become then a home for international family to upkeep the timeless, imperishable values for future communities and generations. It would be a physical space as well as online space in which well-being and healthy lifestyle would be promoted and cultivated through workshops and through meetings and through mutual support with each other. Meeting together, collaborating with each other, and discussing subjects of innovation, conscious living, gathering to cultivate all of these values that I think should go into the future. Which
the people who
More than that.